आणि इट वॉज सच अ इन्स्पायरिंग जर्नी अँड आय फील व्हेरी happy and inspired to witness that journey in first hand. So again thank you so much for being here and I'm sure की आपण असे बरेचसे सेशन्स अरेंज करूच आपण वेळ आणि ह्याचं सगळं ॲडजस्ट करून. आणखीन एक दोन गोष्टी मला जस्ट नोटीस करून द्यायच्या तुम्हाला, ते म्हणजे सरांना GS4मध्ये 148 मार्क्स होते, सो विच वॉज अ व्हेरी गुड स्कोअर.
I feel I got decent marks last time. 290 marks I got in optional, and this time 270 because since last 2 years means 2018 and 19 they have reduced the marking of optional. So I feel I got decent marks in PSIR, and for in ethics last year I got around 120 something, 120. Marks in ethics, which was considered as a decent score, and in 2019 I got 148, which was considered as also decent in ethics. Anyone, if you have any doubt, please.
Vichar, yeah.
What he's saying, how you are, I'll repeat, how you are preparing for the prelims and mains simultaneously and preparing notes. The thing was that, see, there is no separate preparation. You have to concentrate. Integration, there is a kind of integration in mains, overlapping in mains and prelim syllabus. So main thing is you need to understand what part is overlapping and prepare according to that. For example, if world history there is no question in prelims on world history, so you have to keep such kind of things separate. But for example, if you are reading polity, you have to read from president chapter. There will be the different articles on president. For example, attorney general. If you are preparing for attorney general, advocate general, then you from prelims perspective you have to read the articles. You have to read their powers and all, the ranking, precedence and all. The Lakshmikant में जो होता है पीछे. But from mains perspective, what you have to understand is what is their role, what duties are they providing, duties are they doing. Like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said about CAG, that he is the highest office in the country and all, and his presidency is compared to Supreme Court judge. So these are the statements. Then there was a question on Attorney General on last year or last year. So from there many people are saying, even Ketan today was saying that, Ketan or one other one saying that how to elaborate 15 marks question on Attorney General, because you have read only, you know, 1-2 article and what he is and all. So if you know the perspective, what he is doing, every day you must be reading the newspaper at Hindu, what Attorney General, abhi KK Venugopal sir hai, who is Attorney General? KK Venugopal sir is there, and Tushar Mehta sir is additional Solicitor General. So what they said in Supreme Court, their views about government, how they are defending to the state government, how they are defending to the central government, their duties and all. Through this way you can understand prelims and mains. Are you getting my point? Similarly, for example, Supreme Court chapter is there in Lakshmikant. There are articles, there are powers, duties and all. You can prepare from prelims perspective, and from mains perspective you can understand their judgments. You can understand what court is saying about particular judgment, what second ERC report said, collegium system, जो national NJC था ना, second ERC ने report ये किया था, recommend किया था, National Judicial Appointment Commission. So that perspective you have to study from for mains, because you can't separate the things. You have to study then and there itself for prelims and mains. If you separate, then it will be very, very challenging. I would say that I might be wrong, but that's what I feel. This is the most important question you have asked. I thank you for that, because you should understand why I am preparing. Until and unless you will not understand why I am preparing, you will just go through the flow and you will not feel liking the study, because you should feel interest in the study. मला कधीच वाटत नव्हतं की मला अभ्यास सोडायला पाहिजे किंवा बोर होते. आज लय बोर झालं यार, माझं थोडंफार कुठं तर मूवीला जाऊ. मूवी तर बघितलीच नाही कधी प्रिपरेशनच्या टाईममध्ये. आत्ता मी परवा थोडंफार बघितलं काहीतरी बेल बॉटम येते नंतर, ठीक आहे. तर त्याच्यामुळं यू शुड नो व्हॉट इज द रिझन फॉर द UPSC, अँड माय रिझन वॉज, माय फर्स्ट इज फॅमिली बॅकग्राऊंड, सेकंड इज माय स्ट्रगल. I struggle a lot to get the lot of things, get the different things. I struggle a lot with administrative machinery, and I was feeling that if I'm not doing any good thing, then I will not be doing justice to, or I will not able to solve the problems of people. They might be very, very unfortunate than me. They might not able to get education itself. They might not able to get health benefits itself. They might not able to get whatever the government schemes that are not reaching to them. So I'll be doing injustice to these poor people if I'm not able to do some good service, or if I'm able to continue into IT, because IT I'll be able to do weekdays of work, and I must have doing some enjoyment on weekend parties and all. So that clicked me to the prepare for UPSC and to do some good things, and that's what I feel I am doing little bit of my service. Okay.
Sir has a more realistic touch than I do. So basically जेव्हा मी पहिल्यांदा सांगितलं की why of UPSC, I guess की when you come from a middle class family, although I again say that SIRS has a more realistic touch, but for me why UPSC was the lack of power and authority, basically authority. मला खूप काही करू वाटायचं लोकांसाठी, पण माझ्याकडे ती ऑथॉरिटी नसायची. अर्ली आय स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विथ NGOs अँड ऑल, बट देन समवेअर आय रिअलाइज दॅट देर इज अ बाउंड्री वेर यू कॅनॉट वर्क बियॉन्ड इट. सो बेसिकली वेन वी सर्च फॉर एन ऑप्शन ऑफ ऑथॉरिटी विच इज लेजिटिमेट, आय गेस UPSC इज द ऑप्शन. दॅट इज वाय UPSC.
एक क्वेश्चन आहे की हाऊ टू स्टडी फॉर ऑप्शनल, आणि ऑप्शनलसाठी वेगळं काही करायला पाहिजे का? आणि त्यालाच मी ॲडिशन आणखीन एक प्रश्न सांगतो, ते म्हणजे सर प्लीज इलॅबोरेट ऑन आन्सर रायटिंग.
हाँ ठीक है, आंसर राइटिंग, हाँ दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग वंस अगेन, because what happens now, I have seen my friends and it is very unfortunate they are not able to get into the list because their mains marks are very less, and their interview marks are not able to match up, or they can't score beyond some limit in the interviews. So for that your mains marks should be more, and because that these are the things in your hand, because interview that is very different ball game, that is also in your hand, but interview, because once 275 marks are there in interview, and 1700 marks are there, 1750 I guess,
Yes,
there in mains. So for that answer writing is most important thing, and you should start when you get the fair idea of preparation for the answer writing. You should start from there when you got the little idea of NCERTs and all. So many people will say how you will write the answer writing. First, initially you will feel that you will not able to remember anything. Start from the easy subject. For example, if you read Lakshmikant 3-4 times and some questions will be there, previous year mains questions or test papers, you can start easily. Explain the roles and responsibilities of the President of India. So that you must be knowing थोड़ा थोड़ा. So you'll feel कि यार मैं तो कुछ तो अलग ही लिख रहा हूँ या कुछ अलग ठीक लिख रहा हूँ. Then start reading that answer. Then go to the Lakshmikant, because that is easy way I'm telling about it. Then go to the Lakshmikant, what they have written, what way they have written. ठीक है? Means एक ABCD का होता है ना answer writing, that I'm telling. So go to Lakshmikant, see, and then again see your answer, and you see what you have missed, and simultaneously you keep the topper's copy with you, hard copy या soft copy, whatever suits you. Because why I'm saying topper's copy, because that will give you the एक model answer होता है ना. So what way they are writing, and try to do that and check whether, and again practice. Then the way means the time you spend on writing, and you get the content. जसं जसं तुम्हाला हे कंटेंट अक्युमुलेट होईल ना, तसं तसं तुमचं आन्सर रायटिंगचं हे वाढेल, म्हणजे काय म्हणतात त्याला, एनरिचमेंट होईल जास्त त्याच्यात. कंटेंट विल बी एनरिच्ड अँड यू विल एबल टू राईट स्मूथली, अँड देन again see the topper's copy, then practice the test papers, mock test papers, then previous year's question papers. Then for example, if you are seeing what happens, no, if someone if question is there, explain in detail about the Spanish war, or तर याच्यावर काहीच माहीतच नसतं, कारण का वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री हार्डली फ्यू पीपल रीड, बट यू हॅव टू रीड. अँड इफ यू somebody asked about this, that and the other, or colonization, decolonization, तो ते तर थोडं सोपं आहे, पण स्पॅनिश वॉर और अमेरिकन सिव्हिल वॉर, तर माहितीच नसतं, मग वाटतं की आता तर बापरे केलो, आता काही खरं नाही. इट इज लाईक असं होतं. मग त्याच्यासाठी नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट इट, जस्ट गो read about Spanish Civil War or read about any question which is being asked, American Civil War, and read, and after that you try to answer that question and see whether you have written थोड़ा थोड़ा understand हुआ है, जितना याद रखा है, so उतना लिखो, and then again you go back and see how you have written the answer, and again check 2-3 times you practice, and this way you just try to improve your content, and you will definitely will be able to get able to improve your answer writing, because you have to start, otherwise, and don't मतलब ठीक है, you can join the test series as well, but you have to start from yourself. टेस्ट सीरीज भी लगा के वो that will not मी मन जब तक मतलब जोपर्यंत तुम्ही स्वतःहून इनिशिएटिव्ह घेत नाही ना स्वतःहून लिहिण्याचा टेस्ट सिरीज बी लावून तोपर्यंत होत नाही. सो व्हॉट आय यूज टू बी व्हेरी व्हेरी डिसिप्लिन अबाउट माय टेस्ट सिरीज. सो दे विल गिव्ह द शेड्यूल दॅट every week one test will be there. So I used to read all the materials what they have suggested for the mains, and I used to go for the test series, and जो मेंस में डर लगता है ना अभी टेस्ट आने वाला है मतलब पेपर आने वाला है वैसे ही डर लगता था मेरे को टेस्ट सीरीज सॉल्व करने में. दैट सीरियस आई वाज दैट आई यूज्ड टू सिट फॉर 3 hours फुल कंसंट्रेशन, कुछ नहीं वॉच पे टिक 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 अभी खत्म हो रहा है बस 5 ही मिनट रुके बचे, स्टिल आई हैव टू राइट 3 आंसर्स 3 क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखना है. So that serious you have to be, and just practice. It will be very very easy. मतलब आज जरी मला तुम्ही लिहिलं सांगितलं की ह्या क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर लिहून दाखवा, कारण का एक बेस तयार झालेला आहे. आय कॅन राईट एनी आन्सर ऑफ एनी मतलब कुठले बी कसे पण प्रिवियस इयर्स क्वेश्चन पेपर सांगून की हा UPSCनं हे आन्सर क्वेश्चन विचारलेला आहे. कारण का तुम्ही तो डेव्हलप केलेला आहे, ते स्ट्रॅटेजी डेव्हलप केलेली आहे, ती आर्ट ऑफ आन्सर रायटिंग डेव्हलप केलेली आहे. With lot of preparation, lot of content enrichment, and lot of practice. So that is the most important thing I would say.
की ऑप्शनलसाठी सेपरेट काय प्रिपेअर केलं पाहिजे. आय गेस ऑप्शनल कॅरीज 500 मार्क्स अँड द नंबर्स इट सेल्फ टेल यू इट्स इम्पॉर्टन्स. जर का 1750 मार्क्सपैकी 500 मार्क्स ऑप्शनलकडे आहेत तर एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स त्याच्यामध्ये डेफिनेटली टाकले पाहिजेत. कसे टाकले पाहिजेत, किती टाकले पाहिजेत, दॅट डिपेंड्स ऑन युअर ऑप्शनल. So I guess it is a myth saying that XYZ optional is scoring or something is not. Every year there is going to be scaling down of one optional or two. Last 2 years, I guess it is PSIR. From current year, I guess it is anthropology. And I don't know what, before 2013 मध्ये geography scale down केला गेला होता. 13, 14, 15, त्यानंतर PSIR, anthro. So these things are not in your hand. Basically 500 marks आहेत, प्रिपेअर करायचेत, and aim high, whatever you get will be a delight. Let sir add more in this.
हां ऑप्शनल बद्दल PSIR बद्दल बोलायचं झालं, PSIR is also good optional because see every optional is very good. I mean there is no good or bad because your interest is more important. If you feel that interested and interest plus it should be like वो होता है ना कि कुछ optional they are not continuously they are scaling down and not able to get the good marks, then we have to change after 2 years of spending, not more than that I would say. 2 साल में अगर नहीं लगता है कि तुम्हाला वाटत नसेल की मार्क्स भेटत नाहीत त्या ऑप्शनमध्ये, यू शुड चेंज विदिन 2 years. विदिन 2 years यू शुड स्विच. कारण का सी दिस इज नॉट द जर्नी ऑफ 4 years, 5 years, 6 years because we have very limited time. We have to do lot of good works after getting into the service. So the early you reach into the service, the better it is. So that is why switch the optional after 2 years. And PSIR, it is very good optional because it provides lot of first advantage is ethics. It improves your ethics score. That is what I am able to show my marks, and that optional helped me a lot. Ethics score, then essay, because lot of I'm not saying that those who have not taken PSR don't get bothered. Oh yaar, whether I will able to score good marks in ethics or not. So philosophy में वैसे ही है, philosophy optional जिसका उसको भी benefit होता है. And for example geography है तो उसको GS1 में benefit होगा. So every optional is having some अगर किसका anthropology है तो society में benefit होता होगा GS1 में. So every optional has advantages, so nothing to worry about it. PSIR just 3 things. One is helps in other subjects, GS, then essay. There are a lot of philosophical essay they are asking, and PSR will helpful. And second one is that polity, Indian polity का जो है ना मतलब GS2 उसमें भी lot of it will be overlapping. And third is it is IR again. IR because IR part is very very interesting. If you feel that it is interesting, then it will be very very easy. And fourth thing is just for giving sake of motivation. If you read philosophies of all the philosopher, you will not get any depression, any mental stress, because that is the most important thing. Even I go to home, I take my notes out of my drawer and or Google Drive, I open it and I'll read the Machiavelli, his words of wisdom. I read the Plato, I read the Aristotle, because this is not limited to your UPSC preparation for entire life. These philosophers, they have explained wonderfully means, and that will motivate and that will keep you like Machiavelli says. There are a lot of quotes of Machiavelli. So man brave like a lion and clever like a fox. He says no. And the bad times, he talks about bad times. Bad times comes to anyone, and it is like torrential rain, roaring rivers, and everybody has to prepare, face the bad time. And he talks about luck. Luck is not in anyone's control, and it is like he said, like matlab, I don't want to quote, I don't want to justify him, but he says like it is a woman who embraces a strong man. So that way, there are a lot of good philosophies of the philosophers, and that will inspire you. Plato says, Plato says, wise man कौन बोलता है ये अपना प्लेटो के पहले कौन था? Socrates. Socrates says a lot of good things about wisdom and all. That will give a lot of inspiration, that will give a lot of motivation and all. So please, you can choose any optional, but I would say PSIR, I loved it and I still love it, because मुझे लगता है कि even somebody says me take the PSIR classes, I will be happy to conduct कुछ classes आपको अगर किसी ने बोला कि ले लो बोल के, ठीक है? So it is a very good optional, and you can start practicing answer writing. Once you start answer writing for optional, it will be really good. हां एसे बद्दल इवन मला पण खूप भीती वाटायची एसे बद्दल की तुला जशी वाटते असं तशी तुम्हाला जशी वाटते तसंच बसून घे काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. कारण का माझं थोडं बॅकग्राऊंड होतं, म्हणजे बॅकग्राऊंडचं तर फरक पडतो, कारण का इफ युअर इंग्लिश इज नॉट दॅट स्मूथ, बट आय एन्श्योर दॅट आय गेट गुड मार्क्स इन एसे. I got twice 135 and 132 या 33 ऐसे ही, मतलब decent marks in essay. So I would say don't bother about the language. They are not there to take the literature persons in the selection list. They are just there to see what you have written, whether flow is proper. Your linking should be there. essay में क्या होता है, म्हणजे काय होतं essay मध्ये तुझी लिंक असली पाहिजे. आणि remember what after writing one para, just read the topic of essay, what they have asked. What we have the tendency, we flow में बह जाते हैं हम, तो we get lost into the flow, and we after दोन तीन पेज लिहिल्यानंतर कळतं अरे यार मी काय लिहितोय, काहीतरी तिसरंच विचारलं यांनी तर. आणि मग वाटतं की बाबा अरे मग आता काय करायचं कुठून आणायचं, ओढून थोडी आणतं ते एक वेळेस फ्लो केल्यावर. मग एक्झामिनरला पण कळत नाही की काय लिहिलंय, मग असं होतं. आणि देन दे विल फील दॅट, एक्झामिनर विल रिअलाइज दॅट अरे दॅट पर्सन digress from topic, and they will not give the good marks. So this is one thing, flow. Second thing, your essay should be enriched with content, quotes, anything which enriches your answers. Data, economic survey data, then budget data, then some good examples like reaching governance to the people. For example, I'll give the example. We have in Karnataka, we have started initiatives. Jilla Adhikari Nade Halli Kade, means collectors are moving towards the villages. So that is the program, and in this program, every third Saturday of month, all the collectors, all the SDMs, all the Tahsildars will go to the one village. They will sit there for entire day, and they will do they will solve all the problems of the villagers there itself. Office will not be at collectorate, office will be at villages. So if you give such kind of examples in GS2 as well, real life examples, so that examiner will definitely, I feel he or she will definitely give 1 or 2 marks extra. Oh, this person is talking reality and this person is quoting example from Karnataka government. You have to quote this example, different examples. मतलब एस्से में भी होता है, एथिक्स में भी होता है. And if you do that, no, you'll get really, really good marks. And third thing that your quotes में, हाँ, your essay should start with quotes or end with quotes. If it is, the quote is fitting into that essay, it is good and well. If it is not fitting, leave it. Means if you are not able to remember, don't unnecessarily fit the quotes. कभी कभी होता है, we are just for the sake of writing quotes, we just write the quotes. But please use quote effectively. If the quote is effective, then it will be very. If the quote is very, very effective, then it will impress the examiner to give more marks. Like Simone de Beauvoir says, we are women के बारे में she says, women are born something, she says. So we are not born as women, but we are made as women. So Simone de Beauvoir says. So if you write such quotes, then it will be, for example, if essay is on women, there will be definitely one or other essay will be on women and all. So that will impress the examiner to give more marks. And while ending, for example, you can quote the India at 75 or economic survey or prime minister's quote that कुछ भी मतलब whatever the governance, minimum governance, maximum government, this way we are going to achieve minimum government and maximum governance, and this will ensure the clean, स्वच्छ भारत and सुंदर भारत. तो वो ये बोलते हैं इकोनॉमिक सर्वे में कोट किया है. So you can, this way you can conclude. So that will ensure that your conclusion is proper. And one more thing, presentation, last one. That is most important thing. If you present properly, because just you do one thing after writing your essay, give to your friend and ask him or her that please check whether I have wrote correctly or not. If she or he feels that अरे यार तूने बहुत अच्छा लिखा है, तू खूब चांगला लिखा है, and it feels very nice to read, and same feeling that examiner will have, means, and give to the person who you can trust, or जो बोल दिया नहीं, all are good, nobody is bad, but still who gives honest and critical feedback. The feedback नहीं क्या होता है ना, अभी many friends will be say that हाँ बहुत बढ़िया यार क्या लिख रहा है तो मतलब फिर तो ऐसे और क्या लिख रहा है तू लिख रही है तो ऐसे बोलेंगे, तुम बस हवा में चले जाओगे और जो एक्चुअल रियलिटी है वो पता नहीं चले जाएगी. तो जो फ्रेंड्स है जो रियलिटी बताएंगे, आपको थप्पड़ में मार के रियलिटी बताने वाले फ्रेंड्स चाहिए. सो गिव टू देम एंड दे विल रीड एंड दे विल से अरे यार क्या पागलों के जैसे लिखा है. तो भी दुखी मत हो जाना. यू विल ask them what I have to do. If they feel good, then the examiner will same feel good, because and you also read your essays same time. अब अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है then it will be good, and this way you can improve and write the mock test of essay. Wherever you want to write, you can write there. चाणक्य मंडल का भी होता है, हर जगह पे होता है. So wherever you feel good, you can write, and this way you can improve, and you can improve very good. You can get very good marks in essay, and that is the best way to get marks in essay, ethics and optional. 3 things, because GS में variability ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, 10-20 marks का maximum variability होता है. But if essay में if examiners feel, he may give 150 as well if he or she feels happy. So try to improve on these 3 things.
आणि बऱ्याच जणांचा प्रश्न असतो की मराठी हे माध्यम निवडायला पाहिजे का पेपर लिहायला, आणि जर निवडणार असेल तर काही एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स टाकायला लागतात का इंग्लिश निवडण्यापेक्षा?
माध्यम कुठलंच हर्डल नाही आहे, ठीक आहे. फर्स्ट थिंग, सो डोंट थिंक अबाउट दॅट मीडियम. UPSC is so liberal. I have not seen such commission like UPSC about medium and all, because my friend Jayant, he's in Gujarat Cadre, he got 143 rank last year. He wrote his exam in Marathi despite being differently abled and visually impaired. So hats off to him, and he wrote all exam in Marathi. Another friend, Samir Mahajan, he also wrote exam in Marathi, and he is from Jalgaon se kidhar se to I don't know. So he also wrote exam in Marathi, and he also got through the list. Then Muruganandam, he is from Tamil Nadu, he got Maharashtra Cadre, he posted in Gadchiroli as doing assistant collectorship and DPT there in Gadchiroli. he wrote exam in Tamil medium, and he got good ranks, 119 I guess, in the All India rank. So there is no limit. Even lot of friends who have wrote exams in regional languages. And what you are saying, that content you are reading in English, and for example Hindu will not be in Marathi, but that efforts you have to take little bit, because you can read Lok Satta, you can read Hindu, but try to translate it. You have to put the efforts. Nothing to worry. And interview, you will be like Azhar Kazi. He gave his interview in Hindi medium, and he got 204 marks in interview, 204, one of the highest last year. So, and because of that, he got into IAS, not in the list. Because of that, he got into IAS and got good cadre. So that way, the medium is nothing to worry. Just focus on your preparation. That's what I wanted to highlight, because there is lot of, abhi to internet you can put on your translator, and you can translate it all, and there is nothing to worry. So just go ahead and give your best. ठीक है?
चाणक्यमध्येच आपले 2 IPS आहेत, प्रतीक थुबे आणि सुब्रमण्य केळकर, who have written mains in Marathi. And also I would like to add that I guess 10 to 20% of words can be interregional. Just look into the rule. 10 ते 20% शब्द इंग्लिशमध्ये तुम्ही टाकू शकता, despite you being writing the paper in vernacular medium. So please check into it.
Current affairs, see, you have to be very updated and thorough. एक तर newspaper, see, there is no compulsion to read newspaper, but I would say it is the best option, because what happens now, these magazines, they will from different institute, they will club all the materials they will put, and they will give before the prelims or before the mains, but you will not be able to digest that much. Just imagine if you are eating 5 chapatis at a time, or 10 chapatis at a time, and you are staying hungry for 2 days, 3 days. How it happens? You will not be able to digest, and you will starve for 2-3 days. So similar fashion, तसंच तुम्ही जर हळूहळू प्रत्येक जेवढं गरज आहे त्या टाईमला तेवढं वाचलात, त्या टाईमला तेवढं हे केलात, अंडरस्टँड केलात, तर ते the problem is what happens now, if you read suddenly all the things, it will not fit into memories. तो जर रोज वाचत गेला तर तुम्हाला एक मेमरीमध्ये ब्लॉक्स असतात, म्हणजे ह्युमन मेमरीमध्ये त्या ब्लॉकमध्ये फिट होत जातं, आणि तसंच ते म्हणजे एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट तसंच होतं, आणि इट विल बी इझी टू रिमेंबर इन एक्झाम. If you read all things at simultaneously, you will not able to remember. So try to read the newspaper, try to be updated with current happenings, like Insights on India is very good sites, plus Chanakya Mandal must be providing magazines and all about current affairs. Try to read the Hindu or Indian Express, any paper you feel suit. If you feel you can read 2, it is well and good, but don't overstretch it. If you are not able to do, just limit that itself, and try to be analytical. What is happening? I wanted to highlight one thing here, because prelims, it becomes now different ball game since last 3 years. So you have to be, because even they are not asking questions directly, they are asking analytical, your understanding capability, how you judge and all. So these things you will be able to develop while reading the current affairs, and you have to think from different perspective. For example, right to privacy hai, so if someone is talking on phone and Ketan is sitting besides me, whether he is violating my right to privacy of talk. So you have to think from that perspective, whether he is in public space or private space, whether he is in bus or he is in your some area, and whether he is causing any public nuisance or not. I mean, that way you have to understand the things. Otherwise, see, the paper will be more tougher than this year, next year. I'm damn sure. And मैं मतलब ऐसे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. Even tough होगा तो there is nothing to worry. The cutoff will be relative. This year cutoff was 92. This lowest cutoff was the 92. This year as well, the cutoff will be might be less than that as well. So it is nothing about toughness. It's just a relative competition. If cutoff is 110, then it will be relatively easy. So the competition is always relative. So link the current affairs and read it analytically and understand it properly. It is not about just mugging of the facts and things, but understand analytically and link how you link through mains and prelims between small short span of time is to वो तो स्किल एक है, डेवलप करना पड़ेगा कि कैसी स्किल है कि मेंस के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, प्रीलिम्स के लिए क्या फिल्टर करके फटाफट हटा देना का। नेशनल पार्क्स और वाइल्ड लाइफ सैंक्चुरी मेंस में नहीं पूछेंगे, इस बार भी पूछा नहीं था प्रीलिम्स में, सो नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट दैट। मेंस पर्सपेक्टिव से रीड करो, जैसे जजमेंट्स आते हैं प्रीलिम्स और मेंस में जो टाइम होता है ना, so during that time lot of current happenings will be there and fresh things, read about that, judgments, supreme court judgments, then जैसे glaciers melt हो रहा है, किधर तो कुछ हो गया, ईरान में war चल रहा है, then there are lot of things will be ongoing, and please be updated with these things, like and UPSC is predictable in mains, I would say, because you can predict half of the paper in mains, that ये इसमें आएगा, इसमें आएगा, इसमें आएगा, with my limited knowledge of exams I'm saying. So mains में you can easily predict, and syllabus if you are reading and if you are adhering to the syllabus, so there is nothing to worry about it. So linking it will be very very easy.
आय गेस कॉन्फिडन्स मॅटर करतो, पण जर का रायटिंग प्रॅक्टिसवर फोकस असेल तर आय वुड से दॅट 1 year की ॲज सर हॅड सजेस्टेड दी ॲन्युअल टेस्ट सिरीज वुड गो बेटर, बट in case after the prelims you want to attempt, your score gives you the idea, and even if you have the confidence and you unfortunately do not clear, I guess they do extend the mains test series up to the next mains, so there's no loss in it.
Writing mains test series, you need content little bit, she already explained everything, but you need contents, and if you have that confidence, see it is not necessary to write the join the test series, you can start practicing at home, and if you feel that you can write in test series, because what happen if you join the test series and if you are not able to write, and that examiner will give you 250 out of 50 or 30 marks, and you will be under depression that oh god अभी तो UPSC नहीं होगा, मैं why I am writing. So that way it will might be negatively, but still if you got a decent idea, marks, don't worry about marks, and these marks they will nothing matters, and who are checking these papers, believe me, in Vision, Vajiram, these those who are not able to clear, I am not saying they are not good, but those who are not able to clear UPSC, they are getting there as a part-time job, and they are checking paper, and they might not be interesting to check, or they might be interesting, and they might be sometime reading properly or not reading properly. I'm talking everywhere, it is not particular and all. So the feedback might be good or some might be, so don't get impacted or affected by the marks. Sometime it will vary, and it will not be happen same. For example, if I used to get 90 marks in ethics, I never crossed 95 in ethics. I got 148 marks. So if I would have said कि अरे यार अभी तो नहीं हो जाएगा इतना, तो वैसे नहीं है. And once I got 115 marks in GS1, but I never scored 115 in GS1. I scored just once 93 and second 105 something. So just don't bother about it. Just practice about mains, and just be confident. And last word, keep that fire in your heart, your brain, your mind, to achieve something, and to make your parents happy, to make your everything happy, to make your soul happy, and to be satisfied in this world. That's what I wanted to say. Thank you so much.